Alright chaps, what about you? I got a package today. There's the envelope. And it sort of threw me a bit. I was feeling it. I've been waiting on a few bits and pieces, but this here threw me a bit. I'll show you this here. I've been waiting on locks, but this just didn't feel like a lock, so I wasn't sure what it was to open it, or other ways I would open it on video. And it turns out to be this. It's from Wayne Winton. I'll leave a wee link to his channel down below here. He was sending me a challenge lock, and this is a challenge lock. It's a slag. It's not just an ordinary slag, it's a slag Everest. I'll show you the key in a wee second, but I think there's how you know in it, the wee mountain saying, or whatever. Not a very good picture in this, really, what the crack is, but that's how you know. And there's the key. Boys are boys. Boys are boys, well. Wayne has made a few of these. There's, like I say, they're challenge locks, and there's a few of them sent out to me and a couple of other boys, and to be fair, if I lost to the other boys, I'm happy enough, but I will try and get it picked. There's a wee secret there, I think, as far as I know with these. I've never picked one before, so that should be a lot of fun. So it should. And especially that bidding it down, it should be a lot of fun. There's a wee pin there at the bottom, I believe, has to be picked, so I don't know if I'll be able to see it in this or not. If any of the boys from here, look at. If you can see the wee pin, it goes down. And that needs picked. It's not, well, it doesn't need picked, it just needs a wee flick on the pin. So what's that? That was very kind of you, mate. Thanks very much. And I'll get on to that as soon as I possibly can. But this is what threw me. This here's what threw me in the packet. I felt the packet, here's me flip me. It doesn't feel like a lock. And Wayne has also sent me this. It's a wee pinning tray, and it is complete cracker. So it is complete another cracker. I love it. I remember seeing him using this wee pinning tray, and I had said, where'd you get the wee pinning tray? This must be months ago now. Well, he has sent me the wee pinning tray. It says on it there for my stupid cat. I'll pick it up. It says on it, A1 Security, MFG Corp, made in the US of A. And that's it there. Perfect, absolutely perfect for me pinning tray. I love it to bits. I completely love it. So I do. Thank you very much, mate. You're a wee gentleman, sweetheart. I love that. So I do. 7 pins, springs. So I'll get on to this right away, Wayne, and like I say, I'll leave a link down there. Anybody wants to check him out, he's a locksmith. I think it's Tri-County Locksmith in the good old United States of America there, and he does brilliant tool reviews, videos, and he does lots of videos, but I'll leave the link to him making these challenge locks for a few boys. So thanks again, Wayne. You're a gentleman, mate. Thanks very much for the challenge lock, and I'll do my best to try and get that picked. And like I say, if I don't win the challenge, beating these boys that are brilliant, then I'll do my best to get it picked. And thanks very much, mate, for that pinning tray. You're a gentleman. Bye, bye. See you later. Hopefully with the video for picking this.